Hello everyone, this video is consist of total 100 question of spotting error. We will solve it within 1 hour. There are all important questions asked in previous banking exams. So let's start it. The first question is, the couple's work in upgrading rural technician has set a benchmarking for future generation. The couple's work in upgrading rural technician has set a benchmarking for future generation. So the error is in third, has set a benchmark for future generation. Second one, it has taken almost a year for India to let its pessimism translate into fewer jobs. It has taken almost. The error is in first, it has taken almost. Third one, the city needs an airport that can efficiently manage a constantly flow of passenger and flight. So error is in third, a constant flow of passenger and flights. Fourth one, this group of rural achievers is very different than the ones in the past. So in this group of rural achievers is very different from the not than the from the ones in the past. Fifth one is, the government has announced plans to creating, so we can see directly here, plans to create, we use 2 plus v1. Sixth one is, the argument assumes that early detection of the disease will lead to an immediate drops in the mortality rating from this disease. So we can see the error is in fourth part, mortality rate, not rating. Seventh one is, the two most important numbers which the Mandarins of an economy have to watch are inflation and unemployment. The two most important numbers which the Mandarins of an economy have to watch are inflation and unemployment. So there is no error in it. Question number 8. Witness the young soldier's ability to repeatedly hit bullseye at arms training. Instructors pushed him to participate in the army marksmanship competition. Okay. So I'm reading it again. Witness the young soldier's ability to repeatedly hit bullseye. So we can see the error is in first part. Either we can say witnessing the young soldier's ability or having witnessed. Okay. Question number 9. It is all well known that women are generally in favor of light topics like jokes and expressions that causing laughter all around. So we can see the error is in part 4. I am reading it again. It is all well known that women are generally in favor of light topics like jokes and expression that causes in third we can say we can see expressions, jokes and expressions. So that cause, not causes, that cause laughter all around. 10th one, the evening breeze won't carry the poetry of peace beyond the school building. So in this sentence, the evening breeze the evening breeze won't carry, not want carrying. The error is in part 2. Question number 11th. We are bringing the idea that European rehabilitation focused on a multidisciplinary approach towards chronic pain. We are bring, so error we can say instead of bring we will use bringing. We are bringing in the idea that European rehabilitation focused on the multidisciplinary approach towards chronic pain. Question number 12. If parents are able to get their children into schools that are far far away. The next challenge is transportation. If parents are able to get their children into schools that are far away, the next challenge is transportation. So there is no error in it. The next one is 13th one. The perception of others, particularly family members, changed when he qualified for the government job. Okay, no, not on a government job, for the government job. 14th number. Every house should have the device as it protects people from a common household disaster. Every household should have the device as it protects people from a common household disasters. So there is no error. 15th one. Automated baggage handling systems, okay, are ensuring that on the time passengers are out of the plane, their baggage is already waiting for them. Automated baggage handling system are ensuring that on the time at the time passengers are out of the plane. Okay, at the time passengers are out of the plane. 16th one. There cannot be any situation where somebody makes money in an asset located in India and does not pay tax either to India or to the country of his origin. There cannot be any situation where somebody makes money on an asset, not in an asset. 17th. India has entered a downward spiral where the organized, productive and law-abiding sectors are subject to savage amounts of multiple taxes. India has entered a downward spiral where the organized, productive and law-abiding sectors are subjected to savage amounts of multiple taxes. 18th one. The bank may have followed an aggressive monetary tightening policy, but its stated aim of curbing inflation have not been achieved. So the error is in part 5, has not been achieved. We are talking about the aim of. So the singular verb will take singular subject will take singular verb. 19th one. Equal opportunity for advancement across the length and breadth of an organization will keep many problems away. Equal opportunities for advancement across the length and breadth of an organization will keep many problems away. So here there is no error. In question number 19 there is no error. Question number 20. A custom data science degree is yet to become a standard program to India's premier educational institutes. A custom data science degree is yet to become a standard program to India's premier educational institute. So here error is in part 5. A custom data science degree is yet to become a standard program in India's, not to India's, in India's premier educational institutes. Question number 21. These companies have been asked to furnish their financial details and information about its board members. So its board members, error is in 4th. We have to use their board members because these company means plural subject, so we have to use plural pronoun according to the subject. So we are going to use their board members. 22. The scheme which will be launched during the next 2 years require an additional investment of 100 crore. The scheme which will be launched during the next 2 years require an additional investment of 100 crore. So we are talking about the scheme, right? So according to the scheme we have to use singular verb. So the scheme, and we can see in the third part we have require word, so we have to make it requires. The scheme requires. Okay, the scheme which will be launched during the next 2 years requires an additional investment of 100 crore. Road developers unable to complete their projects on time will not be awarded new ones. Road developers unable to complete their project. Road developers, for that we are using their project, so it is right. On time will not be awarded new ones. So the error is in part 3. Road developers unable to complete their projects in time, not on time. In time will not be awarded new ones. 24th. We have taken on the responsibility of arranging the required training and supervise the new staff. So this is easy question. Here we can see the word training is used, and after that and is used, and after that supervise is used. So we have to make it parallel. So the correct sentence will be, we have taken on the responsibility of arranging the required training and supervising the new staff. So this one is right. 24th, the error is in part 4. Instead of supervise we will use supervising. 25th one, the government has signed a memorandum of understanding with the company to set up a plant in the state. The government has signed